Mr. Narendra Modi today expressed hope that monsoon session of Parliament will be productive and fruitful. In a statement ahead of the session, Mr. Modi said Parliament is a forum for discussion with an open mind. He urged all MPs to contemplate deeply and discuss. The Prime Minister said debates, criticism and a detailed analysis of things also takes place in House to make a very positive contribution to policies and decisions. The Prime Minister said this session is also important because election for the President and Vice President are taking place. He added that the new President and Vice President will begin guiding the nation.
ये सत्र इसलिए भी महत्वपूर्ण है कि इसी समय राष्ट्रपति पद और उपराष्ट्रपति पद के चुनाव हो रहे हैं। आज मतदान भी हो रहा है और इसी कालखंड में देश को नए राष्ट्रपति, नए उपराष्ट्रपति उनका मार्गदर्शन प्रारंभ होगा।
The monsoon session of Parliament began